Hello YouTube. It is Burbazooka. Addiction to video games will be considered a mental illness. But why? The World Health Organization, WHO, will include addiction to video games in the International Classification of Diseases. WHO announced that it will update its International Classification of Diseases in 2018. Among them now want to highlight the dependence on video games. This dependence is characterized by a state where a person puts electronic entertainment above their needs and responsibilities. He does not set time limits for this lesson. The organization explains that not all gamers are perceived as mentally ill. Those can only be considered as those players, whom games bring to extremes. This can be compared, for example, with alcoholism. The disorder itself cannot be diagnosed quickly. To make an accurate diagnosis it will take about 12 months of observation. The new classification, already with appropriate changes and additions, will be published in mid-2018. And what do you think? Is it really possible to call addiction to video games a disease? Thank you for your time and attention listening to me. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. You can also click the bell sign to be informed about new videos. Have a great day.